In today's video, I will walk you through how to change effect of a specific transition in PowerPoint. Start by clicking the slide that already has the transition you want to edit. Make sure you are on the correct slide before making changes. Next, go to the Transitions tab in the ribbon. This will show the transition settings for the selected slide. Confirm that the correct transition is selected. If needed, click it again to activate it on the slide. Now look for the Effect Options button next to the transition list in the ribbon. Click Effect Options to view the available variations. Choose the effect variation you want. This can include direction options, like from left, from right, from top, or from bottom, depending on the transition. Once you select an option, the transition will update immediately on the slide. If you want to change it again, return to Effect Options and pick another variation until you get the result you want. Keep in mind that Effect Options only appears for certain transitions, such as wipe, push, split, and fly-in. If you do not see it, that transition does not support adjustable effects. In that case, select a different transition from the Transitions tab and check again for Effect Options. After making your selection, review the slide to confirm the transition effect is applied correctly. That's how you change the effect of a transition in PowerPoint. Thank you for watching the video.